in Vancouver. It's the last Friday of every month. Just a chance for people who use alternative forms of transportation like bicycles to come out and enjoy themselves.
But I was younger then, I never thought I'd break. It used to be a little easier to dance, but I was younger then, I wasn't afraid to take a chance. I dream of freedom when I meditate. A little freedom goes a long, long way. I'm living in my head, I'm dead today. Let me out, let me dance away the rain.
But it really comes down to the fact is who's really paying for all this infrastructure? Is it the people who use it or the people who abuse it? And we're just hoping to take it back. Anyways, thank you very much, and hope everyone enjoys their ride.
But I was younger then.